Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with quick toggles that fix most inverted color problems fast. Press Windows key plus Control plus C to toggle color filters on Windows. If you enabled magnifier, press Control plus Alt plus I to invert colors back. Open Settings and type color filters to find the toggle. Turn off any active color filters or invert options there. Restart the app that showed inverted colors to verify the fix. If colors remain inverted, proceed to the deeper settings steps next. If toggles did not help, check accessibility and display settings carefully. Open Settings, then Accessibility, then Color Filters, and disable inversion there. Next, go to Ease of Access, then High Contrast, and set the theme to None. Open Settings, then System, then Display, then Advanced Display to check color profiles and HDR. Select the standard sRGB or the default profile if a custom profile is applied. Use the Calibrate Display Color option to restore normal color balance and press Apply. When settings fail, inspect drivers, hardware, and recent changes to Windows. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the GPU driver from the vendor. If updating worsens colors, roll back the driver to the previous version immediately. Test the display with a second monitor and boot into safe mode to isolate hardware issues. If a recent Windows update caused inversion, use System Restore to revert to an earlier restore point. As a last resort, perform a clean driver install from the GPU maker's website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.